Start from this. It's not a mistake to make a mistake, but it's a mistake to repeat the same mistake. Functional reading and writing course. These are tabs in here. First one, syllabus. Syllabus is a major document which regulates almost everything what happens during your study on this course. Click here to access the syllabus. I click academic syllabus, course code and title. These are syllabus. And second one, major assignment and rubrics. I click major assignments as assignments that you have on exam midterm 1, 2, and the final. In the documents, you will find the description of each assignment and the rubric, the criteria of how you need to do the task and how the teacher will assess you. 3 of them. Midterm 1, opinion, paragraph. I click. Assignments, purpose, requirements, as you see. Midterm 2, opinion, essay. I click. Opinion essay assignment 2. Final opinion or cause and effect essay. I click. And these are final assignment. Third, attendance policy. I click. The attendance policy tells you what penalties there are for missing classes. Here I will describe the most common questions. Why do I need to attend all classes? Do I get penalized if I miss the class? If I was ill, do I get a penalty anyway? If I missed the class due to some technical issues, for example, low broadband connection, blah blah. And now attendance policy. I click. Oh yeah. Oh, attendance. I click. Oh, from January. Last one, textbook. This is a link to the folder with separate chapters of the textbook. You can download them or view online. Reading, writing, and critical thinking. I click my textbook. Same as you. And information about the course. Oh, getting acquainted. Click the text to go to assignment, home assignment. I click. Oh, those are our Padlet wall. Information about the course. Oh, time and mode of the lectures. Zoom inadequate. is a set of rules of behavior during Zoom sessions. Please familiarize yourself with the meaning of them. Troubles. I click. If you have any troubles with the following, do not hesitate to contact the person in charge. Other useful links. I click. A library, a legal clinic, free legal advice from CMEP students and professors, learner support, grade, disputes and appeals. First talk to your instructor. Academic integrity police. Like this. And assignment scam for RNW. I click. Type of assignment. Last one, tracking progress. Oh yeah. And useful materials and support you will find here. Important video for small work with Moodle. Useful material for writing. Announcement support. If you have any question about how Moodle works, or if you have your ideas to add, how to write a one-sentence summary. This is a video. Materials for an opinion paragraph, materials for writing an opinion essay, something like this. Oh, and next, glossary. I click. Your glossary, create your own vocabulary. List here, use the words and the verses from your textbooks, readings and listenings. Add militarily part of speech, definition, pronunciation, example in your sentence. Add optionally. To complete the task, you need to add a minimum of 10 entries. This is sample. We can learn and make up lessons. I click make up message class here. Start with new discussion, giving it a self-explicable title. Reading, grammar, those are links that we can click and take a view. And last one, ISP. I click. ISP, Independent Student Practice. The document contains the instructions on your independent study logs. ISP submit here. Read the instruction in ISP Independent Student Practice and post all your submission here. I click. Okay. So that's all, and thank you for your attention.